Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and delete user accounts on MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course your MacBook, open it, and this is what you'll have in front of you. So a lot of icons in front of you here, but you of course, let's see how you can actually go and delete the user's account. So for this you need to go to the system settings. Now to enter system settings, you can find them in as a gear icon on your PC, or click F4 and there type in settings. So when you type in settings there, as you can see, you got the system setting, which you need to of course go and click on. Now when you click on the system settings, there you need on the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have a lot of things: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, battery, etc. But you need to go and scroll down and click on users and groups. So when you click on users and groups, click on there, and here if you have the other users, you can of course go and delete them. As you can see, we have the admin and we have the guest user, which is all for me, but you can then go and click on of course that user and delete them. So I cannot delete of course the admin because an admin has to be here, but when you have a user here, you can just click on here and delete the user. So you can just right click and delete him if you have the user here. At the moment I don't have any. So if you cannot delete the account, make sure you're logged into a different administrator account. If the account is currently logged in, log out before trying again. And if the user is only an administrator, create another administrator account first. One warning: choosing the delete home folder permanently erases the user's document, photos, downloads, and other personal files unless you back them up in iCloud. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.